So what is different about this tanker? Well, if you look at the tanker here, we do realize that the tanker is, yeah, it's there. Oh yeah, the air pressure is it's balanced in here. We're gonna move on to the slide. Thank goodness it is quiz time. All right. So I have several questions, boys and girls. I hope you paid attention. You can help me out here. Let's get into our questions. Pressure occurs when matter blank with other matter. Is it A, comes into contact, B, combusts, C, falls, D, explodes? I'm going to give you 20 seconds, and hopefully you can give me an answer here. All right, TAI 5C, can I have a volunteer come to the mic, please?
Yes, the answer is A, comes into contact.
All right, I believe I heard the answer is A, comes into contact. That indeed is the correct answer. As we saw, I believe our first slide had our hand, which was coming into contact with the sponge, which applied pressure there. All right, thank you very much. Let's go to our next question. The air pressure inside our bodies is blank to the air pressure outside our bodies. Is it A, greater than, B, equal to, C, less than? Give me 20 seconds. All right, TAI 5D, thanks for joining us. Can I have a volunteer come to the mic, please? All right, can we try that one more time? TAI 5D, can I have a volunteer come to the mic, please? All right, it appears as TAI 5D doesn't want to come to the mic. I don't blame you. TAI 5A, can I have a volunteer come to the mic, please?
The answer is A, greater than.
All right. I believe you said your answer is A, greater than. Well, although you may think it is greater than, we try to get into the fact that it actually balances each other out. And if it's balancing each other out, correct answer here actually happens to be equal to. Thanks for coming up. You may return back to your seat. Next question. Which one of these statements about air pressure is incorrect? Is it A, it pushes on all sides of us? B, it can create tremendous amount of force? C, it only pushes on an object if the air is emptied from inside the object? D, it increases with more air. Give you 20 seconds. All right, TCV 5D, can I have a volunteer come to the mic, please? TCV 5D, can I have a volunteer come to the mic, please?
Well, the answer is C. It only pushes on an object if the air is emptied from inside the object.
All right, very well. I believe I heard you say your answer is C. It only pushes on an object if the air is empty from inside the object. All right, we were looking for the incorrect statement. And fortunately for us, that is the correct answer. Thanks for coming up. You may return back to your seat. So if you have a piece of paper, 20 square centimeters in size, flat on the desk, how much air pressure pushes on the paper? Is it A, none, B, 20 kilograms, C, 200 grams, D, 200 kilograms? I'm going to give you 20 seconds. Hit that buzzer when you have an answer. All right, TAI 5D. Can I have a volunteer come to the mic, please?
Answer A. None.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Answer A. None.
I believe I heard you say the answer is A, none. Well, there is lots of pressure being pushed down on us. If you remember, I kind of said it was kind of like me and 5 of my friends standing on top of you. Correct answer here happens to be B, and perhaps next time we can get into the mathematical process and how to figure this out. Thanks for coming up. You may return back to your seat. So, what if an alien from another planet with no atmosphere came to live on Earth? What would happen to her or him? Is it A, she would get crushed? B, she would get heat exhaustion? C, she'd be very happy in the south of India? D, she would suffocate. Give you 20 seconds. Hit that buzzer when you have an answer. All right, TCV 5A, can I have a volunteer come to the mic, please?
Your answer is she would suffocate.
All right. I believe I heard you say your answer is D, she would suffocate. Well, we're not talking about oxygen here. We're actually talking about atmosphere. And correct answer here, we were talking about atmospheric pressure, happens to be A, she would get crushed. Thanks for coming up. You may return back to your seat. Alright, boys and girls, thanks for bearing with me throughout today's lesson. It was a great one for me. Hopefully next time there'll be a better one for you. I'm your video instructor, Mr. Machado, saying farewell, and I'll see you tomorrow.